Run it up. I wake up. Yeah.
Get on that road and start heading down it, and then stop at like one gas station. Oh, you're blinking? Yeah. All right. Well, we're just gonna make a left, or go straight and make a left, then first one we see. All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to FLMM in Orlando, Florida. We're right outside Ace Cafe. Just got here, everyone in tow, and we're gonna go meet up with Blockhead and those guys. We got a little bit of a ride ahead of us. We got a Groms squad here already, so you know it's gonna be good times. My foot brake's still messed up from chrome. It's like hitting exhaust. Someone did. I didn't. I let someone borrow it and it came back all bent. Yeah, they crashed. I'm gonna go grab a beverage. I'll be back. Who put that there? I just smashed into a pole. All right, quick Wawa break and fuel up and grab some caffeine. Got a hour ride to the tallest place in Florida. Gotta be hydrated. Never bring your girlfriend on a ride, right, Tyler? Never. What? All right, we're back. We're going to, look at her breaking her neck. Hi. We're going to, look at Booth. We're going to do wheelies, yeah. We're going to wheelies. We're going to wheelies on private roads by professionals. Do not try this at home. I wouldn't even try this at home. That's 2000, brah. Oh, right-hand drive Skyline? We're in Japan, man. Look at this guy's trunk just flapping in the wind. This dude's trunk's just wide open. Yes, shut up. You gonna wheelie here?
First dive, stretch, tell them run it. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands, I'm by my lonely.
Alright, this is a good moment to let you guys know that we're on a closed course, and this is professional Tyler right here. He gets paid to do these wheelies. So YouTube, reviewer, I just want you to know there are wheelies in this video, but they're completely safe, and we're not promoting hazards, so nobody try this at home. Back to being monetized. Alright, so the plan is to try to catch up with the other moto vloggers, so Shade Tree Blockhead, Walterific, Sub D, Harley Tech, John Maxwell. I think that's it. Maybe Dank Wheelie's out there. I doubt it. Try to catch up with them at Sugarloaf, which is the highest point in Florida. But it's like gray and cold out here. It's winter in Florida, and it's only November. Anyway, we're gonna cruise. We got 31 miles to go, so we'll pick it up once Lewis does things that sketch out the whole group. It'll be a good transition right to you doing a shitty stoppie. Oh shit, the stock exhaust. He probably couldn't even hear it. What the? He's got an iPad. He looked like he was 5. He pulls out this freaking huge iPad. He's the ones at concerts that like holds up a big iPad and takes a picture. Look at that Subway. It looks like a Jiffy Lube. You see that new logo for Subway? I didn't know Subway had a new logo. Opalaka. Opalaka. Well, we know they're going to that call, so shut up. Why you gotta do that? I'm trying to get one go wheelie and you make me second guess myself. He called ahead, drags me off the bike, going to get them hooligans. Yeah, I know. Let's do another one. Now stand up. They just keep coming. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like straight butthole, like sweaty, wet 500-pound butthole.
Hot, sick ass and a dead carcass.
And then someone on top of the dead body. Oh my god, you! Oh, what a dick, you small mother. Anyone else want to try that? Poor Booth lost a tooth. He's got shit in his hair. Oh man, I am so disappointed in this ride right now. 15 more minutes it says. I don't know what happened to Lewis. We can disconnect it. He probably lost signal. There's no signal out here. It's all farmland. I saw a place to learn to fly back there. Look, there's a big John Deere. The trucks around here.
Well, everybody's mad, bro.
They're probably used to going like 80 and we're like tapped out going like 48 with the headwind. I hope in the future there's a way for you guys, you know, for us to be able to smell and feel and experience from the comfort of our home what it's like to be on a ride like this. Like some sort of VR simulator to where it has a whole bunch of chemicals and it just hits you with a puff of like poop smell. And then like wind, that freezing wind that hits you, and loudness, That'd be so cool in the future. I would assume that they'll be able to do that in the future. I just don't know how they would gather that poop smell chemical combination. That's gonna be a fun job for somebody. Another 10 minutes so, but with the power of editing, we're gonna pick it up on some wheelie roads. This isn't really a wheelie friendly road, but I guess it'll work for Tyler. It's so windy. I just hope he doesn't kick it back. Oh God. Oh. I half-hearted that was coming. Alright, we'll really pick it up with some wheelie roads where I can at least do a wheelie. Sugarloaf Mountain. I'm trying to wheelie all the way up this thing. I'm pretty high in the RPMs though. It's not happening. I just lost all momentum there. I see nobody. Well, this is the highest point in Florida. Oh, there they are. We're here. We made it. Ah! The Groms have showed up. Got John Maxwell. Hello. What's up, Farva?
I want a goddamn liter of cola.
What's up, buddy?
Took us an hour to get here. We're going like 48 top, like bouncing off the limiter. What's up, John?
You doing all right?
What's up, the Harley Tex? He still hasn't gotten a Grom yet.
I know.
Disappointed in you. We had this conversation last year.
Yeah, I went back and was like, all right, let's find out the Grom scene here, and I found like 4 19-year-olds that have Grom
Yeah.
in the whole town.
You gotta lower your maturity a little bit when you buy it. You're like,
How do you do, fellow kids? What?
what's up, Mr. Dank Wheelie? Anyway, we're at the top of the world, top of Florida. You can see all down there. This is it. Go say hi to everybody. I see Sub D. See the Harley Tech. Where's the blockhead? What's up, Raj? Now we shake hands like this. Come here. Ugh.
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you? Man, that's aerodynamic. Fucking giddy up.
Are you about to have another child?
Yeah. All right, we're gonna take a break.
Sorry.
Real Stunt Show. Here it comes. Here it comes. Watch it. Double peggers, baby. Double peggers.
Connected.